Here is how to upload images to Roblox. First of all, you need to launch a web browser and go to roblox.com, log into your account, and select Create in the top of the screen, that is between Marketplace and the search icon. This will take you to the Creation Hub. Now choose Creations from the left-hand side of the screen, and then select Development Items, that is beside the avatar items. Here select Decals, that is between audio and images, and click on Upload Asset, which is highlighted in white color. Then after, click on Upload to upload a picture for your asset. Then choose to upload. Name it, also add a description if you want, and select Upload. Your image should now be successfully uploaded. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.